You need to import your contacts into Zoho CRM. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We are on the dashboard. We are in Zoho CRM system. We are going over to the left-hand side, and you'll see this drop-down menu here. You will look specifically for sales. And under sales, you'll find contacts. In contacts, there are a few ways you can add contacts. First of all, you can create a new contact, and this will literally be one single contact. However, what we want to do is click on the More button over here, and here we can import contacts, and this is what we're actually here for. Now, there's a few ways, of course, that you can do this. First of all, you can browse your system and look for a CSV or an XLSX file, and this will be either a Google Docs or a Microsoft Excel file. You can go ahead and upload it right here. You can also import from another CRM. So let's see you're migrating from one CRM to another. You can see that there are a bunch of different CRMs here. If you can't find it, go ahead, click on other CRM and dial it in. Okay. For now, we are going to just go and click on browse. Okay, so we've got our file in here. You also see the file will be passed using the character set, and this is the default. Okay, if you have any issues, you can change it appropriately, but if you don't know much about it, I would leave it just like that. We can now go and click on next, and here you can skip existing contacts based on either the contact ID or the email. I'm just going to say none for now. And here you can either add as new contacts or you can update existing contacts only. Now, if you're doing this for the first time and you've got a list of, say, 100, you are going to say add as new contacts. And essentially what will happen is it'll add 100 contacts. And let's say you then have some sort of workflow, whereas the list that you're uploading continuously becomes updated with new contacts automatically. When you upload that list, you will not have to separate the stuff that's already uploaded. You can just say update existing contacts only. And this basically means if there's 100 the last time and 150 this time, only the 50 will be uploaded, the new 50. Okay, let's go and say next. And over here you will see you'll have your fields in your file. Okay, so right now this is incorrect. It should say name, contact number, email address, location, and so forth. And here you are going to map them to the fields in Zoho CRM. So let's say, for example, if this says first name, you're going to go in here and you are going to just add their first name and appropriately. Whatever's put over here, let's say that that's second name, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add that in there. And as you go down, you will do that for all of the fields that you need added in. Now, what's nice is if you click on apply auto mapping, this will basically do all of that for you and you won't have to do it all individually. Once you're now done, you're going to say next, and then you're going to go ahead. Let's just go in here as a mandatory last name. So here we go. All right, mandatory last name. Fantastic. And then we can just say yes. And here you can assign owner-based or rules on assignment rules. You can trigger configured automations and processes for the new and updated records. You can just add those in there. And you can then just go ahead and say finish. You can also enable manual contact approval. And now you'll have all of your contacts imported.